for him come back to the parking place, and he change for money every day. Change for money.